If you're new to tarot and you really want to practice, but you don't want to play with the traditional tarot deck, I still recommend having it, but start with the deck that you want to play with. I'm using the Spacious Tarot deck here, and then let me just pull a card, and let's pull it on what a beginner tarotist, is that a term, needs to know when they practice. Okay, so I got the Eight of Swords come up. And what this is telling me is the Eight of Swords is about getting in our own way and doing things that we feel keep us stuck. Okay, but if you look at this card, I mean, this one is kind of obvious, but you might be looking at it and be thinking, I'm not really sure what the answer to the question is. So this is where I suggest because it's different imagery than the Rider-Waite. So my suggestion is get the Rider-Waite deck out and use it to clarify for you. So let's clarify that Eight of Swords. And you have the Knight of Pentacles. So this is showing you, let me get all the cards here. As I was saying, this is about you maybe getting in your own way, thinking you're stuck when you're not. And the Knight of Pentacles is saying that you govern your own energy, so have the courage to stand in place and really get a lay of the land and notice where you are feeling stuck within yourself. It's through our own ability to have our personal development go deeper as we discover what is causing the hold up for us and where we feel we need to go in order to loosen off those bindings and free ourselves so we can move forward. So let me know what you think, and we'll see you in another video. Peace.